Hi guys, welcome back. So for today's video I wanted to do a quick, easy, simple, glowy makeup tutorial using only BB cream, no foundation, no concealer, and I'm using the Pond's BB cream. ये बहुत amazing है. As you can see, I've used a lot of it and I always take like a little bit and apply that on my face. But as you can see, I don't have acne marks या spots or anything like that. So I'm using a little bit. You can use as much as you want, and I use my fingers to blend it out. You can always use a beauty blender or brush if you wish to. But it's pretty amazing. I know ये shade सबको सूट नहीं करेगा, but it suits a lot of people, and आप कोई भी BB cream use कर सकते हो for this look. After I've done with my face, I also take a little bit more and apply it around my eyes to hide those dark circles. Then I'm using this powder. This is by Rimmel and it is pretty amazing. Like, it mattifies everything but it doesn't make you look powdery or dry or anything like that. आप अगर आपको और coverage चाहिए तो आप कोई भी अच्छी coverage वाला compact use कर सकते हैं. Then I'm taking the Wet n Wild bronzer. Now इसका undertone बहुत अच्छा है. It's not too cool, it's not too warm, so it's perfect. ये मेरी face को अच्छी shape भी दे देता है. At the same time it adds some color to my face as well, so that my face doesn't look completely blank. So yeah, I'm adding some color to my face and also hiding that double chin. Yep. Then I'm adding some more color to my face with this blush. With simple looks, I like to add a little extra, I like to go a little extra with the blush, and that's what I'm doing. And peachy nude blushes look amazing. Like, they give your skin a real nice glow. And then I'm going in with the highlighter, and this is the Wet n Wild highlighter in Precious Petals, and I'm going a little extra with this, but of course you can decide how much you want to put. I'm going on all my high points and also over my eyes to make me look really wide awake. As you can see, my face looks so glowy. Then I'm taking this palette. This is from Amazon. I will link it down below, and I'm using that shade and filling in my eyebrows. You can use any eyebrow product. I just prefer this eyeshadow and I use it all the time. Then I'm taking my mascara, and this is the Kiko Milano mascara. You can use any mascara, and I'm just loading my lashes with this. Lashes, brows, lipstick, they just make any look really amazing. So I'm using this lip gradation by Maybelline, and this is the shade Mauve 1. It's a pretty amazing shade for lipstick. You can just use any shade that you want, but I'm also topping it off with Madras Kappi by Nykaa. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's so simple, easy, and you can't really tell that you don't have foundation or concealer on. The BB cream does an amazing job. And yeah, that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, subscribe and share. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.